Camera 2 recording. Okay, can you clap in front of your face? Can you? One more. Perfect. Okay. So Neha,
Yeah.
tell me something about Khushbu. How long have you been friends with? And tell me everything
About Khushbu.
about Khushbu.
Okay. So I think we know each other since it's been 4 years, I guess. So first we met when I joined a French certificate course in University of Rajasthan, and she was doing PhD over there, and I was doing MTech. So we both joined in a way, and initially it was just like notes and stuff, and then later we became good friends, and started sharing, you know, what all going on in life and stuff. So what I remember, as in, we never been sad when we two are together, still, and it's fun to be with her, and she's an amazing person. One best thing about her is, as in, that's very less in girls in general. So if you'll ask her, anybody, if someone asks her for any help, so suppose sharing a room, basically, if a girl asks that I want to be in your room and stuff, so she won't say no. As in, she's like, okay, chill, come and stay for as much as you want. So that's very, as in, rare in girls, basically. So that's one thing I've seen. And yeah, she's fun. She dances a lot. She does whatever makes her happy or whatever makes others happy near her. So yeah.
Okay, and now tell me whatever you know about Shagun Bhaiya.
Oh, that's very less.
Okay.
So yeah, I know him because he came and gave me the card. Okay, this is the wedding card, and that's when we talked a bit. It was just 5-10 minutes. Yeah, so he's a nice person, and they love each other. That's the best part. And yeah, I've seen that they are happy whenever they are together. So yeah, he's a fun-loving person and quite open. Because the first question he asked me is like, "Are you open about guys? Because you're gonna come and I have to tell to my friends, okay, she's single and all are welcome." And I like, dude, please leave me. So yeah, pretty much open. In first meeting, generally people don't, talk. So yeah, he's fun.
One thing about Khushbu that nobody knows, maybe not even
Shagun.
Bhaiya.
Oh God, I don't know. Maybe
So
let
can you
me think.
repeat, say like maybe one thing Khushbu about Khushbu that nobody knows, something like that. So because my question won't be there, but you'll have to say the sort of a question in an answer way. Get it?
Probably.
Can you say like one thing in Khushbu?
I think Shagun haven't heard a third friend of ours, Preeti. So we were like three musketeers, and we used to do stuff together, three of us. So he doesn't know much about her. So yeah, that's one thing.
Okay. Define stuff.
Stuff as in, oh God, don't go into that, please. It's just friendly stuff. So we used to, as in, we never need to have a joke or something as in required to laugh. If we three are together, we'll just keep laughing for hours and hours, and especially those two. They'll start, they won't stop. It's like that. And pulling each other's legs, so yeah, that's one.
One message you want to give to future small Nag. Imagine that he or she is watching this video after like say 10 years or something.
The kids, you mean?
The kids,
Okay.
yeah. And one thing you want to tell to their kids about their parents that
Okay. I think they both. So I'll say, dude, kiddo. Yeah, it's Masi's take-home message. So they both are fun-loving. So just be pretty much open with them. Don't hide anything because they are not going to stop you for anything. But I don't think she doesn't like to be a liar. So just be open with her and him as well. And yeah, have fun. Enjoy.
okay. And one message you want to
So many
they're gonna
questions
see
you are
this,
asking.
no, so they're gonna see this video say after like a month because and they'll be wedded and they'll most probably have their honeymoon and everything. So one message you want to send to them when they're watching this. And keep on saying like Khushbu and Shagun Bhaiya, Shagun, this is
Jijaji.
Jijaji or whatever, and like at the camera.
Okay. So I'll have to tell, as in I didn't get this message properly, this question properly. Can you just
Okay, so one message you want to tell them that
regarding what? I understood that.
regarding life, anything you want.
Okay. Okay. So Khushi and GJ, be the way you guys are. Just keep loving each other and make the environment and everybody happy around you. And go somewhere amazing place like you have never been to a place, as in all the things which you haven't done until now in life, just do that. Serious things will anyway come, so just enjoy the life. Yeah. Anything else you want? Please leave me.
So when did you get to know about them, like being together and how did they get together? What's the story?
Yeah, I know the story a bit.
Yeah, so at the camera.
Oh god. So I
When
think
was the first time she told you about it and how you reacted?
she told me about it. Okay, let me think about it. She directly told me or what? Yeah, so one day she called me and she's like, ticket book kara le, something like that. I was like, what the hell? And yeah, then she said, aisa kuch scene hai. And yeah, we're gonna get married. I was like, are you serious, dude? Okay, before that, she sent me the pics that this is one guy. My cousin is just telling me his friend, and how do you think he is and stuff. I like, because she shares a lot of things with me, as in about these things. So I said, yeah, photo se kya pata chalta hai? Let's see. And then yeah, I saw the photos and things ended up over there. But then suddenly, and she's like, ticket book kara le, and I like, dude, what is happening? And then she told, okay, this is how it's gonna be. So I asked her when is the engagement and stuff, who's the guy. She told me the whole story that this is the guy. He's in Mumbai right now and friends with my cousin and stuff. So yeah, this is how. Then she told me the whole stuff, how they met and. Any other questions? She's gonna beat me up, dude.
Done.
And I'll kick you out at that time, seriously.